Chandler, what exactly is a mortgage and how does it work? That's super scary, so help me understand this.
Now, I made a super cool app called the CDS Rental Calculator that not only helps you run the numbers on a rental property, but if you just want to see what your mortgage would be and how it works, you can just use this. So you're going to plug in the purchase price. We're not buying a bigger rental. We're just going to do the purchase price of $100,000. On the average loan, you can put 25% down. If you're living in it, you can put way less down, which is cool. But with this, you've got $25,000 you need to buy the property. The other $75,000 you're going to borrow. This is on a 30-year loan and an interest rate of 4.25%. You go and click run the numbers and see the amortization schedule. And this is going to show you how much you have to pay every month, how much interest you're paying, and how much is going towards paying down that $75,000.
And now your monthly payment is only $368, which is freaking awesome.